These are the 5 tallest statues from different countries. And the last one is truly terrifying. Like and subscribe before the video ends for incredible luck. Statue of Unity, India. At 182 meters, this is the tallest statue in the world, honoring Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Spring Temple Buddha, China. Standing 128 meters, this giant Buddha is a peaceful yet powerful presence. Laikyun Sekya, Myanmar. A stunning golden Buddha, rising 116 meters into the sky. Statue of Liberty, USA. A global icon of freedom, the Statue of Liberty stands at 93 meters with its pedestal. The Motherland Calls, Russia. At 85 meters, this dramatic figure is said to be one of the scariest statues in the world. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below.